In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email automation on Constant Contact. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to constantcontact.com, enter right here your email address, and click on this button right here in order to get 14 days free trial of their actual software. Now, once you have actually signed up, you can proceed to access its dashboard. I already have an account, so let's head over and click on this login right here. So here is their dashboard. So in order to actually create an email automation, you need to head over right here to your left sidebar, scroll down, and in here is the automations option. Proceed to click on this and it should be able to redirect you in here into this part for the actual workflow of your automation. So in here, proceed to click onto this setup now. And once you have done that, this will load into this part. You can see in here the automation trigger. It can be subscribe for an email. It can be on any list, or you can also choose in here the trigger that you want. For this case, I'll choose the trigger for submitted the form. And in here, you can choose in here a form that you want, or you can also choose in here what kind of actual email automation you would like to utilize. So you can choose in here which one you want, and they have a lot of things that you can actually utilize. I'll head over and click on save right here. Now in here you can see that we already have a trigger, which is when someone subscribes for a list, it will send an email with a customized content. So this is the default template, but you can also have another rules. Like for example, let's add in here a time delay. Just drag and drop it right here. So when someone subscribes for a form, let's add in here a delay. Let me edit it because 1 week is too long. Let's click on this and edit it and delay it for 1 day. Let's click on save and here it is. So we have in here the action for sending an email. You can also edit it right here in order to name your email or copy an existing one. Now in this case, you can also add or remove tag or remove things on the list. Once you're done, proceed to click on this activate in order to activate it. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.